Hi guys, my name is Jody Newman and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please click on subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when my new videos is being uploaded. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make barbecue spice. Yes, homemade barbecue spice. Basically it's all-purpose seasoning. You can use it on steak, chops, chicken, vegetables and eggs. So stay tuned and let's get to this. This is what we need for our barbecue spice. Some brown sugar, black pepper, salt, paprika, or it can be smoked paprika, oregano, and garlic salt. Simply use 5 teaspoons of salt, four teaspoons of brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoon of black pepper, 3 teaspoons of garlic salt, 5 teaspoons of paprika, and 3 teaspoons of oregano. Now mix it well together. And as easy as that, you got your barbecue spice. If you like my video, please click on subscribe and drop a comment, and please do share my video with your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.